Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the second part of exercise 10.4, that is our question number 4, 5, and 6. In question number 4, we have a line intersects two concentric circles with same center, with center O at A, B, C, and D. Then prove that AB is equals to CD. So there is two circles and the circles are concentric with the center as O. AD is the line that is given. AD intersects the bigger circle and BC intersects the smaller circle. So AD is the chord for the bigger circle and BC is the chord for the smaller circle. So here it is given that a line AD intersects two concentric circles A, B, C, and D, where O is the center of the circles. We have to prove AB is equals to CD. To prove that, we need to do a construction, that is OM perpendicular to AD. We know that any line drawn from the center bisects the chord into equal halves. So using that theorem, we can prove that AD is the chord of the largest circle. So we can say OM bisects AD. Therefore, AM is equals to DM. Again, if we see the smaller circle, BC is the chord for the smaller circle and OM is a line drawn from the center. So it is not only perpendicular but also it divides the chord into equal halves. So OM bisects the chord, BM is equals to CM. Now this equation 2 will be subtracted from 1. So AM, this big line AM minus BM will be left with AB, and the line MD subtracted from CM will be left with CD. So we have AB is equals to CD, proved using the theorem that the line joining from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Using this theorem, we have proved AB is equals to CD. Next, move on to the next sum, that is three girls, Reshma, Salma, Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. So we have a circle, and in this circle the girls are standing at the edge of the park. So R, S, and M stands for Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, and their distance from the center is 5 meter. Each is 5 meter. Each is 5 meter. Reshma throws a ball to Salma. So Reshma throws a ball to Salma. Salma to Mandeep, and Mandeep to Reshma again. So this is the way the ball is traveling. If the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6, Salma and Mandeep is 6, find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So between Reshma and Mandeep, the distance will be greater than 6 because they are at the opposite end of the circle. So how to find it out? Let's move with the answer. Here we have drawn perpendiculars OA and OB on RS and SM. So you can see in the diagram that OA and OB are the perpendiculars drawn on RS, that is Reshma and Salma, Salma and Mandeep. So the figure that I have drawn, accordingly we have drawn one construction. So since the line RS is a chord of the circle and AO is a line coming from the center, so it bisects the chord. So we can say RA is equals to AS, that is the distance between Reshma and Salma was 6, so divided by 2 we get 3 meters. And OR, OS, OM are all the distance from the center to the circumference of the circle. So each of them are 5 meter, that is radii of the circle. So if we consider a right angle triangle OAR, so we are considering this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle OAR, the OA is the perpendicular, RA is the base, and OR is the hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, using PTHM, using Pythagoras theorem, we can say OA square plus OA is not given, so we need to find OA. So OA square plus 3 meter square is equals to 5 meter square. So OA square is 25 minus 9, taking the transpose for the 3, we get 16 meters square. And then we will get OA is equals to 4 meter. So the hypotenuse becomes the perpendicular becomes 4 meter. ORSM will be a kite. So ORSM, the quadrilateral is somewhat like this. Here is O, R, S and M. It is a quadrilateral and it forms a kite. We know that the diagonals of a kite are perpendicular and the diagonal common to both the isosceles triangle bisects another diagonal. So RM is one diagonal and OS is the other diagonal. In kite or the quadrilateral of special type kite, here if we use the diagonal we get two isosceles isosceles triangle, since OR and OM is equal, RS and SM is equal, so we get an OS is a common side, so we get an isosceles triangle and each of the diagonals bisect each other at 90. So this point, where here in the diagram it is given as C, is at 90 degree. So this implies angle, this is angle RCS will be 90 degree and RC is equals to CM. We get this path from the kite. So we know how to find the area of a triangle ORS. ORS was like this. I'm drawing the ORSM. So this is C and this is 90. So ORS, if we take this area of the triangle, we will get half OA. OA was perpendicular, this construction was done, OA on RS, and again we will get RC on OS. So both for ORS the area will be both, that is half OA into RS as well as half RC into OS. They will form the same area for the same triangle. So using this one we can equate it out. First the area for using the perpendicular OA is given, and next we have equated out with half area of the perpendicular is RC and the base is OS, and for this part half OA we have got 4 and RS is 6, that was already given. So the half and half cancels each other, so we get RC into 5, OS was 5, so equals to 24. So RC is equals to 4.8 meter. Previously we have found that RC is equals to CM. RC is equals to CM by the thing that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other and bisects each other for the quadrilateral kite. So we can say RM is equals to 2RC. So therefore the distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meter. After multiplying 2 with 4.8 meter we get 9.6 meter. So this is the sum number 5, which is a 4-mark sum. Next we come to sum number 6. In sum number 6 it says a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Shahid and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a telephone toy in his hand to talk to each other. So we have a circle, and in this circle, three friends are sitting at three edges of the circle. One is Ankur, one is Shahid, and one is David. The distance between three of them is equal because they, in the question it is written equal distance on its boundary. Find the length of the string of each phone. So they are talking over a telephone toy. So we have to find the length of the each string. That is that either we are going to find AS or AD or SD, anyone. Since all the sides are equal, we will find anyone. So see the diagram that I have drawn, and the diagram of the question will be like this. And we have drawn a line from A which passes through the center of the circle and meets SD at B. So OB is a line drawn from the circle, center of the circle, and SD is the chord of the circle. So we can say that SB and BD are equal in each other because a line drawn from the center of the circle always bisects the chord. So in the question it is given that the distance between the friends are same. So AS is equals to SD is equals to DA. We have an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, so we have an equilateral triangle. The radius of the circle is given as 20. So the distance OA and OS and OD are all 20 meter. All 20 meter. Median of an equilateral triangle passes through the circumcenter O of an equilateral triangle ASD. When we did theorem 5, there was a remark and we said that if ABC is a triangle, there is a unique circle which connects the three points of the triangle. Such a circle is called circumcircle. So here ASD, these 3 points forms a unique circle, and that circle is circumcircle, and a center O is circumcenter. So the median of such a triangle inside a circle will be all in the ratio of 2:1. So we will the line AB is the median of the equilateral triangle ASD, and the distance OA is 2 and OB is 1, since the point O, which is the centroid, center of circumcircle or circumcenter, divides the median in 2:1 ratio. So we have OA, I said the median divides, the center O divides with 2:1. The center O divides AB in 2:1 ratio. So we have OA by OB is equals to 2:1 following the ratio. OA is given as 20 and OB we do not know. So by making OB as subject, we get OB is equals to 20 by 2 meter, that is 10 meter. So the line AB is OA plus AO plus OB. So 20 plus 10 is 30. So AB is 30 and AB is perpendicular. So now we will consider the big triangle ABD. In this big triangle, AD is this is a right angle triangle, so we are using Pythagoras theorem again. So here AD square is equals to AB square plus BD square. AD square, we need to find a side of the equilateral triangle, so we are not going to change that. AD square, AB is 30 and BD can be written as SD by 2, and SD and AD are same since it was an equilateral triangle. So BD can be written as SD by 2, and since it is an equilateral triangle, so BD is equals to AD by 2. AD by 2. So AD by 2 whole square. So we get AD square is equals to 900 plus AD square by 4. Subjecting AD square, we get 3 by 4 AD square is equals to 900. So AD square is equals to 1200. That means AD is equals to 20 root 3. So we have to find the length of each string, that is either of the side of the equilateral is the length of the string. So since we have already found AD, that is the length of the string. So therefore the length of the string of each phone will be 20 root 3 meter. So this was sum number 6. Sum number 2 is a 4-mark sum, whereas sum number 5 and 6 are 4-mark sum. Sum number 4 is 2 marks, 5 and 4 is 4-mark sum. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you.